Hey guys, how's it going? Yasir Khan here, and in this video we will be talking about why you should never be a stock trader. Why you should never trade stocks. Now, the reason for me making this video is that people generally assume that they should be, if they don't want to do a job, they should be trading stocks, buying low and selling high, and that is the furthest thing from the truth. I've been saying it in my videos, and if you start trading stocks, you will lose money, even if you start with paper money, for the simple reason that no one can predict the ups and downs of the market at all. It doesn't matter if you have a very sophisticated software. It doesn't matter if you subscribe to those services which send you signals as to what to buy and when to sell. Okay, they make huge errors. I know, because I tried doing it for 2 years back in 2008, and I tried figuring everything out. It just didn't work, and I ended up losing $40,000 or $50,000 back then, when it was a lot of money for me. Okay, so the first thing to understand is that almost every single course out there will teach you to trade stocks profitably, and that's the wrong thing to do. Okay, I want you to internalize it. There is no such thing as trading stocks profitably, especially if you're a day trader. Okay, a better way to do it would be to invest in dividend stocks. Okay, when you invest, you are getting paid a dividend. Okay, and when you invest in a dividend paying company, chances are very high that that company has been around for a long time, because only, for the most part, only mature companies pay out dividends. New companies don't. Growth based companies don't pay out dividends usually. Okay, which means that more or less dividend paying companies are safer. Okay, their stock prices don't fluctuate as wildly as other stocks. They still fluctuate. It's just not as crazy as the other stocks, and many of them have a track record of paying increasing dividends for the same investment over time, year over year. Okay, so that is much better than trying to, getting stressed out trying to figure out when the stock is going down and when the stock is going up. Okay, I have spent years going through news of a certain company, trying to figure out when the stock is going to go up and buy right before it, and every single time, 90% of the time, I've been wrong, because no one can predict it. There are so many different factors in there which decide where the price is going. That reminds me, for the most part, the stock price will depend on two things. Is the market greedy, or is the market fearful? And all of this has to do with people's emotions, and you cannot very accurately predict people's emotions. Okay, so when you see a stock price going down, it doesn't mean you have to sell, and when you see it going up, it does not mean that you have to buy. Okay, you should always invest in stocks from a long-term point of view. Okay, not as a day trader, because that is a recipe for disaster and bankruptcy and financial ruin. And you should be okay with getting a dividend payout every month or every quarter, depending on the stock that you invest in. Okay, now the reason there are so many courses out there which try to educate you on when to buy and when to sell stocks is because it is easier to get people to understand the basics of stock trading. Okay, you press this button and you buy the stock. Okay, yeah, this is the fundamental analysis, this is the technical analysis. The stock is trading right at the top, so it has to go down. Or the stock is trading right at the support level, well, that means it has to go up. No, it's not that simple at all. And a small uptick or downtick in the stock price, if you're just starting out, can wipe you out, because you don't have enough equity, enough money in the game to sustain yourself if there's a market downturn. Which is why you should never be trading stocks or trading anything for that matter. If you have taken a look at my other videos, I always say you should be investing and never trading. Only amateurs trade. Most, if not all, of professional people who actually have wealth, they do not trade. They don't buy low and sell high. They invest. They hold their position, and then they make income for years or decades to come. It's that simple, guys. I know it takes a shift in mindset, because every single other course is talking about buying low and selling high, I'm telling you right now, and I've done a lot of trial and error, it's not going to work for you. Okay. So yeah, if you want to get more information as to what you can do to learn more about investing in stocks, I made another video on August 19th, 2019, and the name of the video is The Easy Way to Invest in Stocks for Consistent Income. Okay, it's a very simple video. It will totally change the way you look at stocks, and if you want to invest in them, and if you want to draw long-term income from them, then this is something you should be doing. All right. Thanks, guys. I hope you like this video, and I will see you in another one. Take care.